one that I've been intending to cover. What do you say about, because now a person, if they say that they don't quite go along with this whole thing about, everybody being a scrambled gender or degenderizing everybody. I mean, so that there's no such thing as gender anymore. And they kind of equate it, and I say the white supremacists are behind it, with deracialize. They say, well, get rid of this thing called race. Well, race is racism. That's about mistreatment. Now, it's not the same thing as this degenderization. See what I mean? You don't de-everything. I mean, you can deracialize a society, but when you degenderize a society, is that an improvement? Well, since the white supremacists have no objections to it among non-white people, and they are doing everything they can to have black people leading the scattered gender parade, they got all kind of titles for it, gay, transgender, and on and on and on, omnisexual, trans this and trans that, and it just goes on. I came up just saying that if you're going to have different types of sexuality, how many different types do you have? Because you have 21 types of races now, when you started out with 3, even though people haven't changed that much fundamentally. But you got all these different titles now. Well, how many titles are you going to have for the new types of sexuality? I came up with a possible 178 titles just for sexuality, possibly. I mean, now what the people will be doing, I don't know, because I kind of think that everybody kind of skirts around what people actually do.
Right.
When you say, oh, he's gay or she's gay, well, what does that mean? It used to mean happy. They say, well, no, it's a type of sexuality now.
Right, type of sexuality,
yes.
yes.
Okay, well, a type of sexuality consistent of what?
Of what?
They say, well, people loving each other regardless of gender. Well, what do you mean by love? See what I mean? Let's get into some details here. Come up in here and demonstrate what you're talking about.